3 4-box breaks of 2014 Crown Royal Football. All cards shipped, not just the hits. As you can see, we got a sealed case from Panini. 2014 Crown Royal. So all the boxes will be coming out of this case. I'm going to go through the teams real quick. Make sure we got everybody's teams correct. If not, speak up. Cardinals are Belcher, Falcons, Braden, Ravens, Randy Petty, Bills, Randy Petty, Panthers, Braden, Bears, Braden, Bengals, Belcher, Browns, Belcher, Cowboys, Nick Sark, Broncos, Belcher, Lions, Wild Bill, Packers, Chaz Fleet, Texans, Randy Petty, Colts, Pack is back, Jaguars, Javi, Chiefs, Belcher, Dolphins, Harry LaBarge, Vikings, Harry LaBarge, Patriots, Pack is back, Saints, Belcher, Giants, T.A. Robinson, Jets, Jumper, Raiders, Mike Keg, Eagles, Mike Keg, or Mike G, I guess. I'm overpronouncing stuff. Mike G. Eagles, Mike G. Steelers, Scott Johnson. Rams, Braden C. Chargers, Harry LaBarge. 49ers, J.C. Belcher. Seahawks, Chummer Larong. Bucks, Charlene. Titans, Scott Johnson. Redskins, Braden C. So I'm going to pop this box open. And we will roll with these 4 boxes here. How you doing, Stotts? Camera failed. How you doing, Nebraska? What's going on? All that's going on right now, fellas, if you don't see, ladies and gentlemen, is the packs are on the table. I've opened the first 4 boxes. I haven't opened any packs yet. So let's just see where we're at with the lag. I'm going to say a number. When you guys hear the number, just type in the number that I say. 1. There's no lag. I mean, that's, you guys pretty much type the 1 instantly. Yeah, there's always a little bit of a delay. P-Site, you might need to do a refresh. We were having a couple guys the other night that were having that issue too. They did a refresh. Does everybody hear me okay? I don't sound like a chipmunk or anything like that. Adobe's messing with it. Yeah, the other night they said I was sounding like a chipmunk. I did a refresh on my end and everything was good. So, alright, if anybody's doing a refresh, please let me know real quick before you do it. I don't want to start opening anything and having you guys miss anything. These breaks go pretty quick, so. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, P-Sype. I wish I could tell you. What browser are you using? that also feeds into it. Sometimes breakers and browsers, certain browsers don't play well. Alright, fellas, here we go. Good luck to everybody. We're going to start it off with a Russell Wilson out of 25 for the Seahawks. We got us a Bishop Sankey, heirs to the throne for the Titans. Panini's Choice Award, Mike Evans, Bucks. Alfred Blue Rookie, Texans. Demaryius Thomas, Broncos. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. We got us All-Pro Materials out of 474 of Cameron Wake for the Dolphins. We got us a dual Knights and Squires, Aaron Rodgers, Blake Bortles. That card will be randomed between the the Jaguars and the Packers, unless the same person has those teams. We got a John Brown to 199 for the Cardinals. Rashad Jennings for the Giants. Mike Wallace for the Dolphins. We got a James Wilder Jr. autograph to 49 for the Bengals. We got a Panini's Choice Award, Derek Carr. Bradley Roby Rookie, Broncos. Riley Cooper for the Eagles. And we got us a Michael Floyd Green, serial number 3 of 5 for the Cardinals. And we have a Jeff Janis autograph to 25 for the Packers. Kings Court for the Rams. Richard Rodgers Rookie for the Pack. Eddie Lacy for the Pack. We got a Cam Newton for the Panthers. Kings Court Green for the Redskins. We got a Timmy Jernigan to 99 for the Ravens. Majestic Craftsman, or Master Craftsman, Brandon Marshall for the Bears. Henry Josie for the Jaguars rookie. Alshon Jeffrey for the Bears. Brandon Marshall for the Bears. We got us a Mike Evans out of 99 for the Buccaneers. We got a, a card sticking there. Got a Kings Court Rams. Rajon Neal to 199 for the Packers. Geno Smith, Jets. We got Andre Ellington to 25 for the Cardinals. Another Cameron Wake All-Pro Materials for the Dolphins. Derek Carpenter's Choice Award for the Raiders. Marion Grice for the Cardinals. Richard Sherman Seahawks. We got a Carlos Hyde Rookie Royalty for the 49ers. Got another one of those Aaron Rodgers, Blake Bortles duels, so we don't need to random it. You guys will each get one, or gals. We'll each get one of those. We have a Dominique Easley rookie for the Patriots, and a C.J. Spiller for the Bills. Box 3, break 1. Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Got a Troy Nicholas autograph out of 15 for the Cardinals. Kelvin Benjamin, Panini's Choice Award, Panthers. Kyle Fuller to 199 for the Bears. Vincent Jackson, Bucks. Frank Gore, 49ers. We got a Jeff Janis to 299 for the Packers. Got a Brett Favre, Johnny Manziel, Knights and Squires. That'll have to be random between the Packers and the Browns. Rob Blanchflower for the Steelers. Kendall Wright, Titans. Paul Richardson, Panini's Choice Award, Seahawks. All Pro Materials, Patrick Peterson to 499 for the Cardinals. Kings Court, Bills. Ryan Shazier, Steelers rookie. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Matt Forte, Bears. Got a Terrence West, rookie royalty to 499 for the Cowboys. Panini's Choice Award, Eric Ebron for the Lions. We got a Tevin Reese for the Bengals to 99. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. That's it for box 3, break 1. On to box 4. Slide those to the back. We got a Kings Court for the Jaguars. Corey Washington, 199 for the Giants. Keenan Allen, Chargers. Eli Manning to 99 for the Giants. We got a Charles Sims, rookie royalty for relic to 499 for the Bucks. Adrian Peterson, master craftsman for the Vikings. Albert Wilson, rookie, Chiefs. Cordero Patterson, Vikings. Maurice Jones-Drew, Raiders. We got a Cam Newton, Knights of the Round Table relic for the Panthers. Blake Bortles, Panini's Choice Award for the Jags. Damian Williams, rookie for the Dolphins. Cecil Shorts for the Jags. Kings Court green parallel for the Packers. We got a Rajon Neal autograph to 99 for the Packers. Panini's Choice Award, Jason Morrow for the Jets. Jason Morrow, rookie, Jets. Julian Edelman, Patriots. Percy Harvin, Seahawks. And our last hit of the first break is a Michael Campanaro autograph to 299 for the Ravens. Bear with me 1 second while I get the randomizer up to random this card between the Packers and Browns. Alright, we're going to random this up 3 times between the Packers and Browns. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. And that will go to the Browns. Alright. Break number 2. Packers and Ravens both did alright. Break 2, we got the Cardinals, Chad Kramer, Falcons, Braden C., Ravens, Randy Petty, Bills, Buttersville, Panthers, Lady Dunn, Bears, Braden, Bengals fan, Browns, Bambi Sue, Cowboys, Johnny Rotten, Broncos, Belcher, Lions, Wild Bill, Packers, Hummer H. to Todd. Texans, Buttersville, Colts, Pack is back, Jags, Jockey, Chiefs, Belcher, Dolphins, Harry LaBarge, Vikings, Harry LaBarge, Patriots, Pack is back, Saints, Buttersville, Giants, S. Burr, 73, Jets, Randy Petty, Raiders, Belcher, Eagles, Belcher, Steelers, Crusader 1, Rams, Buttersville, Chargers, Harry LaBarge, 49ers, Camping Frog, Seahawks, Scott Johnson, Bucks, Charlene, Titans, Scott Johnson, Redskins, Braden C. Alright. I came home with what I went with. So, I did pull off some trades and got some nice PC stuff. I picked up that Barry Sanders auto. Traded with Term to get that triple auto off him. And picked up a couple Ebron autos. All trade, and I think I paid for one Ebron auto. Everything else was trade. All right. So I need to stop the cast, clear the browser cache, close the browser, then reopen it and restart the cast. Alright. Alright everybody, bear with me. I need to do what Daryl asked me to do. It may clear up some of your guys' audio issues if you're having any. So everything, as you can see, is on the table. I have 3 packs there, 4 packs there, 4 packs there. The cards are there. These cards are there. Everything's going to stay the way it is. So bear with me for 1 second while I do this. I will be right back.
want your bad self, big bad Lonnie. Who the hell has this team? Miller Time 420. You got to be kidding me. Some guy named Brett Favre on card.
Everybody, you guys back with me? You guys all still here? Stats, Randy, AZ Cards, Johnson, Captain Rock, GB, Nebraska, T.A. Robinson. You guys can all hear me good? Awesome. Thanks, Daryl. Alright, so you can see nothing changed. All the cards are where they left. 3 packs here, 4 packs here, 4 packs here, and the card's still up there. So let's keep going. Alright, here we go. Break 2, box number 1. We're going to start out with a Riley Cooper to 99 for the Eagles. Looks like we got us a Heirs to the Throne Teddy Bridgewater to 499 for the Vikings. Got us a Master Craftsman Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. Ryan Grant to 199 for the Redskins. J.J. Watt, Texans. Matt Ryan, Falcons. We got us another Teddy Bridgewater in the same box, Rookie Royalty, to 499. They have us an All-Pro Materials, Larry Fitzgerald to 499 for the Cardinals. Kings Court for the Jags. Got a Devon Street to 199 for the Cowboys. Michael Floyd, Cardinals. We got a Robert Griffin for the Redskins. We have a Taj Boyd silhouette to 49 for the Jets. You know, this is the first Taj Boyd auto that we've pulled in this product, I believe. As much as this crown is ripped, which is actually really surprising because we pulled Taj Boyd out of everything. Jason Morrow, Panini's Choice Award, Jets. Orleans Darquois to 199 for the Dolphins. Ryan Matthews, Chargers. Sam Bradford to 199 for the Rams. We got a Arthur Lynch to 25 for the Dolphins. We got us the dual DeMarcus Ware, Jadeveon Clowney. Broncos, Texans. Broncos and Texans, 2 different people, so that will be randomed. We got us a Pierre Desir to 99 for the Browns, and Alex Smith for the Chiefs. That is it for box 1. Box number 2, we got us a Julian Edelman to 199 for the Patriots. We have a David Fales to 14 for the Bears. That's 8 of 14. Darrell Revis, Master Craftsman, Patriots. Jalen Sanders, rookie, Jets. Des Bryant, Cowboys. Victor Cruz, Giants. We got a Jason Verrett autograph to 75 for the Chargers. Jordan Matthews, Panini's Choice Award, Eagles. Trevor Riley, Jets, rookie. Arian Foster, Texans. Jimmy Graham, Saints. We got an Eric Weddle, All-Pro Materials to $4.99 for the Chargers. Kings Court, Packers. Lake Seastrunk to $1.99 for the Redskins. Darren McFadden, Raiders. Keenan Allen to $1.99, Chargers. And we got us a triple relic. Jordan Matthews, Mike Evans, Allen Robinson, heirs to the throne. So that'll be randomed off between those 3 teams. DeMarcus Ware, Jadeveon Clowney, so we don't need to random that card. That's good. So we got 2 of those. A Deion Buchanan rookie for the Cardinals, and Drew Brees for the Saints. Box 3, break 2. Cam Newton to $1.99, Panthers. We have an Aaron Murray rookie royalty for the Chiefs to $4.99. We got a Jimmy Graham, Eric Ebron that will need to be randomed between the Saints and the Lions. Shaq Evans rookie for the Jets. Geno Smith, Jets. Kendall Wright to 99, or to 25 for the Texans. Uh-oh. We got us a boom. Serial numbered 8 of 25. Derek Carr, silhouette autograph purple for the Raiders. Master Craftsman, Brandon Marshall for the Bears. Henry Joseph, rookie, Jags. Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Peyton Manning for the Broncos. We got a Darrell Revis, All-Pro Materials to $4.99 for the Bucks. We got a Devontae Adams, Panini's Choice Award for the Packers. We got a Greg Robinson to $1.99 for the Rams. C.J. Spiller for the Bills. Cordero Patterson for the Vikings. We got a Gio Bernard veteran autograph to 25 for the Bengals. Got a little ding down there. Kings Court for the Seahawks. Darquez Dennard, rookie, Bengals. Richard Sherman, Seahawks. Box 4, break 2. We got a Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins. Got a Ed Reynolds, rookie signatures to $2.99 for the Eagles. Jimmy Graham, Eric Ebron for the Lions and Saints, so we won't need to random that off. The Saints and the Lions will each get one of those. We got a Michael Sam to 99 for the Cowboys. Randall Cobb for the Packers. Matt Ryan to 199, Falcons. Brandon Oliver autograph to 99 for the Chargers. Kings Court for the Seahawks. Keith Winning, rookie for the Ravens. Ben Tate for the Browns. Kings Court Green for the Steelers. We got a DeAnthony Thomas rookie royalty to $4.99 for the Chiefs. Panini's Choice Award, Devontae Adams, Packers. Coney Ely rookie, Panthers. Ruben Randall, Giants. Fred Jackson, Bills. And we got, well, look at this. Heirs to the Throne to $3.99. Jordan Matthews, Mike Evans, Allen Robinson. So we will have 2 of those to random off. We got a Master Craftsman for the Bears. We got a Trevor Riley to 199 for the Jets rookie, and Peyton Manning for the Broncos. Hey, what's going on, Oops? Alright, fellas, let me get randomizer set up real quick. So we got Eagles, Bucks, Jags. Alright, Eagles, Bucks, and Jags. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. The Bucks will get the first one. And then second time around for the second card. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. And that one's going to go to the Bucks as well. Unbelievable. Alright, that is it for break 2. On to break 3. I have a list here. We have the Cardinals, Scott Johnson, Falcons, Braden, Ravens, Belcher, Bills, Charlene, Panthers, Lady Gun, Bears, Hannah, Bengals, Bengals fan, Browns, no dice, Cowboys, TX Lady, Broncos, Belcher, Lions, Wild Bill, Packers, Hummer H2, Todd, Texans, Jeff V, Colts, Pack is back, Jags, no dice, Chiefs, JR79, Dolphins, Harry LaBarge, Vikings, no dice, Patriots, no dice, Saints, Belcher, Giants, Charlene, Jets, Randy Petty, Raiders, N.I. Crazy, Eagles, Randy Petty, Steelers, Derek P, Rams, Randy Petty, Chargers, Harry LaBarge, 49ers, Belcher, Seahawks, Braden, Bucks, Charlene, Titans, Kaiser, Redskins, Braden C. So far, I have seen 3 redemptions, and it looks like this last break may be loaded. We got a Doug Martin for the Bucks. We got a Chris Smith, serial numbered 1 of 14 for the Jaguars. Got a Master Craftsman, Peyton Manning, Broncos. Zach Mettenberger to 199, Titans, rookie. Vincent Jackson, Bucks. Roddy White to 199 for the Falcons. We got a redemption. It's a rookie silhouettes autographs gold of Devonta Freeman for the Falcons. Kings Court for the Giants. Zach Mettenberger to 199 for the Titans. Kendall Wright, Titans. You got a Aaron Rodgers, Blake Bortles duel, so that'll need to be randomed. We got a Heirs to the Throne 499. Derek Carr for the Raiders. We have a Joe Flacco to 199, Knights of the Round Table for the Ravens. Panini's Choice Award, Andre Williams for the Giants. Keith Winning to 199 for the Ravens. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Joe Flacco, Ravens. We got a Heirs to the Throne, Johnny Manziel to 199 or 499 for the Browns. Jason Morrow, Jason Witten duel. That'll get random. Aaron Donald to 99 for the Rams. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. We got a Zach Stacy for the Rams. We got a Scott Crichton autograph to 75 for the Vikings. We got a Master Craftsman, Jimmy Graham, Saints. Got a Damian Williams to 99 for the Dolphins. Randall Cobb, Packers. Arian Foster to 199 for the Texans. We got a redemption, and it is for a Devonta Freeman again, but this one's not the gold, it's just the regular. And now got all blurry on me. There we go. So you get 2 Devonta Freeman silhouette autos coming. We have a Zach Mettenberger, Panini's Choice Award, Titans. Coney Ely to 99 for the Panthers. Ben Tate for the Browns. We got a Crown Jewels, Kelvin Johnson for the Lions. We have a triple relic of Brandon Cooks, Sammy Watkins, and this is funny. Brandon Cooks, Sammy Watkins, Kelvin Benjamin, but I think they flip-flopped the Sammy and the Kelvin jerseys. Almost positive that happened, but regardless, that will be randomed off between those 3 teams at the end. Rookie royalty, A.J. McCarron to 499 for the Bengals. Brandon Marshall, Jordan Matthews, Bears, Eagles, randomed. Got Telvin Smith to 199 for the Jags. Ruben Randall for the Giants. Frank Gore, 49ers. We have a Derek Carr, rookie royalty to 499 for the Raiders. Kings Court, Cowboys. Michael Campanaro, 199, rookie for the Ravens. And Peyton Manning for the Dolphins. We got a box 3, break 3, Julio Jones to 199 for the Falcons. We have Blake Bortles, rookies, silhouettes, autographs for the Jaguars. Panini's Choice Award, Jimmy Garoppolo for the Patriots. Stephon Tuitt, rookie, Steelers. Alshon Jeffrey, Bears. Andrew Luck to 199 for the Colts. We got a Gavin Escobar to 25 for the Cowboys. Panini's Choice Award, Jarvis Landry, Dolphins. Rashad Hageman for the Falcons rookie. Vernon Davis, 49ers. Darren McFadden, Raiders. Got a Jordan Cameron autograph to 20 for the Browns. Panini's Choice Award, Cody Latimer, Broncos. Corey Washington, Giants. Monty Ball, Broncos. Drew Brees, Saints. Got a Teddy Bridgewater, rookie royalty for the Vikings, relic card. Got a Chris Johnson, Bishop Sankey duel that'll be randomed. Deion Buchanan to 199 for the Cardinals, and Toby Gerhart for the Jags. Last box of this break. We'll start it off this way. We got a Heirs to the Throne, Kelvin Benjamin, relic for the Panthers. Kings Court for the Seahawks. We got a James Wilder to 99 for the Bengals. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Toby Gerhart to 99 for the Jags. Got a Dante Moncrief to 299 for the Colts. Silhouette patch auto. Devontae Adams, Panini's Choice Award for the Packers. Josh Huff for the Eagles. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. Darren McFadden to 199 for the Raiders. We got a Bishop Sankey autograph to 99 for the Titans. Blake Bortles, Panini's Choice Award, Jags. Jackson Jeffcoat for the Redskins. Vincent Jackson for the Bucks. We got a Crown Jewels, Teddy Bridgewater for the Vikings. We got a Tom Savage Jumbo Silhouettes for the Texans, and that's out of 99. Eric Ebron, Jimmy Graham, Saints Lions. We got a Philly Brown to the Panthers. Kendall Wright, Titans, and DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys. Alright, everybody, bear with me for 1 minute. We got a good handful of cards to random off for this break. So just bear with me for 1 minute and we will get that set up and going. Alright, so first off we're going to have the Saints and Lions. It's going to be 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. And that will go to the Lions. We got the Johnson and Sankey. That's going to be Jets and Titans. 1, 2, and 3. And that will go to the Titans. Then we have the Marshall and the Matthews. So, Bears and Eagles. One, 2, and 3. And that will go to the Bears. We have the Jason Witten, Jay Samaro. So Cowboys, Jets. One, 2, and 3. Now we'll go to the Cowboys. Now we got the Rodgers and the Bortles. One, 2, and 3. And that's going to go to the Jags. And last but not least, we have this flip-flop jersey for Panthers, Bills, and Saints. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. And that will be going to the Panthers. Alright everybody, thank you for spending a little bit of your Sunday evening with us. We appreciate you getting on our break tonight. Please make sure you save us on eBay, because we do list several breaks on eBay. I'm sure we'll be doing some more crown breaks and multiple other products the same way, especially when some new products start dropping. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, all that other good stuff. We do announce some breaks, just Facebook only breaks as well too, so if you want to get in a lot of our breaks, if you like the way we do business, make sure you check us out. Everybody have a good night. I hope everyone had a good weekend, and hopefully we'll see you soon.